Hello students, this is Mrs. Pavitra Ashok, your English teacher. I welcome you all to this offline English class. Dear students, we had discussed the pre-reading task of the prose Friend in Need in the previous session. The prose Friend in Need is a story related to a friendship between Duryodhana and Karna. Students, do you know Mahabharata? The Mahabharata is one of the two major Sanskrit epics of ancient India. It narrates the struggle between two groups of cousins in the Kurukshetra war, Pandavas and Kauravas. Panduraja was the king of Hastinapur, the son of Vichitravirya and his second wife Ambalika. He is popularly known as the father of the Pandavas, Yudhishthira, Bhima and Arjuna by Kunti and Nakula and Sahadeva by Madri. Dhritarashtra was the king of Kuru kingdom with its capital at Hastinapur, the son of Vichitravirya and his first wife Ambika. He was born blind. He is popularly known as the father of the Kauravas, Duryodhana, Dushasana and so on. He fathered 100 sons and one daughter by his wife Gandhari. Students, please open your English textbook. I am going to read first two paragraphs. Please listen to my pronunciation. Sage Durvasa had taught Kunti a mantra. It was a secret verse to invoke the gods. When invoked, they would appear before her and bless her with sons equal to themselves in glory. The young Kunti was at that time waiting for her Swayamvara, but she had out of curiosity invoked Surya, the sun god. He had blessed her with the child, a child who would prove to be the greatest of all heroes. With the baby in her arms, Kunti wondered, "How will I explain the child? Who will believe me?" With a heavy heart, she placed the baby in a basket and set it afloat on the river Ganga. He grew up in Adiratha's house and became a hero called Karna. Students, please look at meanings of new words. Sage means a holy man. Mantra, a holy saying. Invoke means to make a request, especially to God. Glory means greatness. Curiosity means a strong desire to know. Wonder means desire to know something. When Kunti was a young girl, she lived with her adopted father Kunti Bhoja. Sage Durvasa visited Kunti Bhoja one day and sought his hospitality. Being extremely pleased by all the comforts and devotion offered by Kunti, he offered her a mantra that would invoke any god of her choice and he would bless her with sons equal to themselves in glory. The young Kunti was waiting for her Swayamvara. Students, do you know what is Swayamvara? Swayamvara is, in ancient India, it was a practice in which a girl had to choose her husband. Out of curiosity, Kunti invoked Surya, the sun god. He had blessed her with the child. Out of fear of the public and with no choice, she placed the baby in a basket and set it afloat on the river Ganga, who later became famous as Karna. Students, please look at this picture. Radha and Adiratha, they were in the side of the Kauravas who got that child and raised Karna. Did you understand, students? Karna is born to Kunti, the wife of Panduraja. He is the elder brother of Pancha Pandavas. Actually, he is Pandava, but now he is in the side of the Kauravas. So Kunti abandoned her first child Karna. After few days, her adopted father Kunti Bhoja organized Kunti Swayamvara. Kunti chose King Pandu of Hastinapur as her husband. After marriage, Kunti used the boon granted to her by sage Durvasa to bear 3 sons. Yudhishthira by Yamadharma Raja, god of justice. Bhima by Vayu, god of wind. And Arjuna by Indra, the king of the heaven. She also invoked Ashwins for Madri, the second wife of Pandu, and Madri gave birth to twin sons Nakula and Sahadeva. Students, now please look at paragraphs 3 and 4. War is near, Krishna said. Your sons will fight against their cousins. There will be much bloodshed. Kunti was deeply disturbed. The Pandavas would fight against the Kauravas and Karna was on Duryodhana's side. Karna would fight against his brothers, perhaps kill them or be killed himself. He was her precious firstborn, whom she had never acknowledged, never fondled with a mother's love. Tears of despair welled up in her eyes. Kunti made up her mind to tell Karna the truth. That was the only way to persuade him to leave Duryodhana and to fight on the side of the Pandavas. With Karna gone, Duryodhana would be weaker in strength and spirit. The Pandavas would be able to vanquish him with ease. This was the right time for Karna to learn the secret of his birth. Students, please look at meanings of new words. Disturbed means got confused. Precious means great value. Acknowledge is accept or admit. Fondle means show love of a mother. Despair means without hope. Persuade is make someone act, do something, argue or beg. Vanquish means defeat. Students, you all know Lord Krishna. In this picture, you can see the conversation between Kunti and Krishna. The relationship between Kunti and Krishna is Kunti was the sister of Vasudeva, the father of Krishna. Here, Krishna is talking about Kurukshetra war. The war is between the Pandavas and the Kauravas. After hearing this, Kunti was deeply disturbed. Students, can you tell me why was Kunti disturbed? Yes, because of Karna. Karna was on the side of the Kauravas. He was on Duryodhana's side. Who is Duryodhana? Duryodhana was the first son of Dhritarashtra. As Karna was on Duryodhana's side, perhaps kill them, or any one of the Pandavas would kill Karna. Then what did Kunti do? She made up her mind to tell Karna the truth of secret of his birth. She thought, with Karna gone, Duryodhana would be weaker in strength and spirit. Then the Pandavas would be able to defeat the Kauravas with ease. Students, in this session, we have understood the first part of the prose Friend in Need. Now, I am going to ask you few questions. You have to answer it, okay? Your first question is, what is the meaning of the word invoke? Invoke means to make a request, especially to God. Your second question is, whom did Kunti invoke? Yes, Kunti invoked Surya, the sun god. Very good, students. Your third question is, what did Kunti do with the child? Kunti placed the baby in a basket and set it afloat on the river Ganga. Your fourth question is, what had Durvasa taught Kunti? Sage Durvasa had taught Kunti a mantra. Excellent, students. Dear students, now I am going to end this session. Your home assignment is you have to read the first 4 paragraphs twice with right pronunciation. Also study meanings and question answers. See you in the next session with the second part of the prose Friend in Need. Bye for now. Thank you.